In a sun-scarred desert town, a forgotten wind tunnel awakens and reveals a map etched by ancient engineers. The council follows the paper trail to a buried aquifer that fed legends of rain and relief. As groundwater surfaces, murals along canyon walls recount how water shifted seasons and revived a dying market. Researchers document the wind tunnel not as a ruin, but as a living archive guiding modern drought solutions. The town learns to read wind and water together, honoring the engineers who whispered rain back into the world.